Hey everyone, welcome back to Sir Boats Yacht. I'm thrilled to bring you today's video where we're diving deep into the stunning Chris Craft Corsair 34. If you're a boating enthusiast or just someone who loves the idea of cruising the open water in style, you're in for a treat. This 9.75-meter sports boat has been turning heads since its introduction, blending classic retro vibes with modern luxury. So, grab your favorite drink, settle in, and let's explore what makes the Chris Craft Corsair 34 a standout on the water. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an episode from Sir Boats Yacht. Let's start with the key features that define the Chris Craft Corsair 34. This beauty measures just over 32 feet, making it a perfect size for day trips or short getaways without feeling cramped. It's designed to carry up to 12 passengers, so whether you're hosting a family outing or a friend's adventure, there's plenty of space to spread out. The boat comes equipped with twin V8 Volvo Penta 350 horsepower engines paired with stern drives, giving you the power to hit speeds up to 40 knots. For those new to boating, that's a solid pace that lets you zip across the water while still enjoying the ride. You also get a bow thruster, which is a game changer for maneuvering in tight spots like marinas. Think of it as an extra set of hands to keep things smooth. The hull is a deep V design, built for stability and a dry ride even when the waves pick up, and the pale blue finish across the hull and topsides gives it that striking, uniform look that catches every eye at the dock. Now, let's talk about the design, because the Chris Craft Corsair 34 is where retro charm meets contemporary flair. This boat pays homage to Chris Craft's long heritage, dating back to the 19th century, with details like stainless steel fittings and white caulking in the woodwork that scream classic elegance. But don't let that fool you, it's packed with modern touches. The flared bow reduces spray, keeping you drier on choppy days, while the overall shape is sleek and aerodynamic, cutting through the water with ease. The deck features a beautiful teak finish, adding warmth and a touch of luxury underfoot, and the color scheme is customizable with options for hull and stripe colors to match your personal style. At the stern, you'll find a sun pad perfect for soaking up the rays, followed by a seating area with a folding table that's ideal for meals or cocktails. The cockpit seating has cleverly shaped backrests, allowing passengers to lounge facing backward with a clear view of the wake, a small but thoughtful detail that enhances the experience. It's a design that balances nostalgia with practicality, making it a head-turner whether you're cruising or docked. Moving inside, the interior features of the Chris Craft Corsair 34 are where comfort meets functionality. Step into the cabin, and you're greeted with a space that feels surprisingly roomy for a day boat. The seating is upholstered in weather-resistant fabric with a diamond quilted pattern that matches the exterior, adding a cohesive luxury vibe. All the Chris Craft logos are stitched into the material, giving it a premium, tactile feel you can appreciate up close. The cabin includes a V-shaped bench seat that converts into a bed, perfect for an overnight stay, along with a galley equipped with a fridge and sink for light meal prep. There's also a separate toilet compartment, which is a big plus for longer outings, and large panoramic windows let in plenty of natural light to avoid that claustrophobic feel. The ceiling height is around 1.67 meters, which might be snug for taller folks, but it's a trade-off for the boat's sleek profile. Back in the cockpit, the U-shaped seating and bucket seats offer ample room for everyone, and the helm seat even has a lift bolster so you can stand while driving if you prefer. It's a layout that prioritizes both relaxation and socializing, making it versatile for any water adventure. When it comes to performance aspects, the Chris Craft Corsair 34 doesn't disappoint. Powered by those twin V8 Volvo Penta 350 horsepower engines, this boat is built for speed and agility. Reaching up to 40 knots, it's quick enough to satisfy thrill seekers but manageable for beginners with some practice. The deep V-hull design is key here, slicing through waves to provide a smooth ride even in moderate chop, though some owners note a wet spot at semi-displacement speeds around 8 knots, so you'll want to either creep along or push past 20 knots to stay dry. The 22-degree transom deadrise angle, which sharpens toward the bow, adds to the stability, and the boat maintains a level trim without much need for trim tabs. During tight turns, you might feel a slight stern slide, a characteristic inherited from its predecessor, the Corsair 33, but it's controllable and even fun once you get the hang of it. The bow thruster comes in handy for docking, and the engine display at the helm lets you monitor trim settings easily. Overall, it's a performance package that balances power with poise, ideal for cruising or showing off a bit on the water. Finally, let's highlight the unique selling points that set the Chris Craft Corsair 34 apart from the crowd. First off, its blend of retro styling with modern performance is a rare find. Few boats manage to look like they belong in a vintage Hollywood film while delivering 21st century tech. The customizable options are a big draw too, with choices for engine types, hull colors, and interior finishes, allowing you to tailor it to your taste, something that appeals to both new buyers and seasoned boaters. The attention to detail is another standout, from the stitched logos to the teak decking, reflecting Chris Craft's nearly 150-year legacy of craftsmanship. Despite being a day boat, the inclusion of a functional cabin with sleeping, cooking, and toilet facilities makes it more versatile than many competitors in its class. It's also built to handle a variety of conditions, with a stable ride and practical features like the bow thruster, appealing to those who venture beyond calm lakes to coastal waters. Plus, with a capacity for 12, it's perfect for social outings, yet the luxurious materials and design keep it feeling exclusive. This combination of style, utility, and heritage makes the Corsair 34 a dream boat for anyone looking to make a statement on the water. So, there you have it, a full rundown of the Chris Craft Corsair 34 from Sir Boats Yacht. Whether you're drawn to its classic good looks, impressed by its performance, or just love the idea of customizing your own piece of maritime history, this boat has something for everyone. If you're thinking about owning one, keep in mind that new models are no longer in production, but you can find used options worldwide, with prices varying based on condition and upgrades. For the latest listings or to explore customization, check out resources like Yacht Buyers Market Watch or connect with a dealer. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you cruised on a Corsair 34, or is it on your wish list? Drop your comments below, and let's get the conversation going. If you enjoyed this review, give it a thumbs up, share it with your boating buddies, and stay tuned for more exciting content right here on Sir Boats Yacht. Until next time, fair winds and happy boating.